Hi folks, Kyle here from H&H Motors on the Cork Road, Waterford. So I'd introduce you to a car we've just got ready to stock. So it's a Ford Focus Zetec 2020 reg. Sat in those beautiful diamond cut silver alloys. Again, Zetec model, so fairly well spec'd. Rear parking sensors, rear camera. Finished in the black metallic. Tinted windows on the side and the boot. Shark fin aerial on top. And once we're finished taking a look at the exterior, I'll bring you inside. Have a look inside the boot then, huge amount of space, obviously a hatchback, bifolding rear seats. Taking a look at the rear of the car, full charcoal cloth interior, ice fix on the bottom left and right, USBs and 12 volt in the centre for back charging, and then you've electric powered windows on the side. Just before we jump in the cockpit then, charcoal cloth seats up front of course, full leather multifunction steering wheel on the side, electric powered mirrors and windows on the side. Full leather multifunction steering wheel in front then with our cruise control and speed limiter on the left, audio and function on the right, semi-digital dash up front. Touchscreen display here in the centre, built-in sat-nav, built-in Bluetooth for your phone, media play and to take calls. Some manual function buttons down here for our air conditioning. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox, automatic handbrake. Just give you a look at the trim then. Thanks very much for watching folks. If you're interested and want to leave a deposit on the car, you can give us a call on 051 876 400. That's 051 876 400. Thank you.